Hello guys, this is Atul from the Practical Tech Solution. Today we are going to start with questions based on the string. We have seen some of the questions based on the array. Now it's time to start working on the string concept. So today, for today's question, let's see that what is exactly. So we have one string and the task is to reverse the order of the words. So here basically we are not need to reverse the words. We have to reverse the order of words. So I can say that, okay, so the reverse of this string is going to be, it is something like language programming. We have just need to reverse the order, right? So here we can write language programming is Java. So this is the, we should get this kind of output. So because here we are changing the order of the words. So let's try to write the code for this. So what we can do is like, what logic we can apply here is like we can store these words in one string array, okay, and then we are going to read it. So main logic is here like how we are going to store this complete string into the string array. So maybe you guys know that there is one function in the string class called as a split function. So what split function is doing, split function based on the pattern, whatever we are passing as an argument there, it is going to, based on that, it is going to store, it uses that pattern as a delimiter. Okay, so what it is going to do, based on that, it is going to, you can say that it will going to break this string into the substring and store it inside the array. So let's say, let me going to create one function here as a public. I'm going to make this one as a static. And here I have to return that string, reverse order string. So let me write this one as a string and as a get reverse. And here I'm going to pass the string object. Okay. Now, what we can do is like, as I told you here, what we have to do, we have to first break this string into the substring. So what I can use here, I'm going to use str dot split function, and split function here, the expression, whatever it is looking for, so based on the white spaces, I want to break this string. So let me put this one, give some space and like this. So now here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to, because this split function, you can see this, it is going to return me one string array. So here, let me write this string and let's say as a words like this, fine. So now all the string, mean like these words are, this string is going to be divided into a substring. It is like, for example, in the index position 0, we have the Java. Index position 1, we have the word is. So based on this, one word is going to be stored in the one index positions with the help of this split function. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the solution to reverse this order. So what we can do is like, let's create one string object as a reverse string. Okay, and here let's say it is our right now empty. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to iterate over this array. So it is going to return as a string word colon, and then I'm going to read from the words. Okay, now simply what I have to do, let reverse string. Now instead of, because we don't want to reverse the letters, we want to reverse the word. So what we can do here is like, I'm going to read first the actual word, then in order to print some space in between, let me print some space, and then I'm going to add this reverse string. Okay, now at the end, once I have done, I'm getting this reverse completely iterating over the entire array. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just return the reverse string. Okay, fine. So now let me call this function and print it. So, and here, let's say I'm going to call this function as a get reverse. And here I'm passing this str. Save it. And now let's run the code. We are getting this output, right? Language programming is Java. So here you can see this, we are able to find out the reverse order of the words from the given string. Understand the concept. See you in another day. Thank you.